Hello everyone and welcome to my video on resonance part 5. In the earlier videos, we have seen how resonance plays an important role in determining the acidity and basicity of substituted phenols, anilines, etc. Resonance also play an important role in determining the stability of isomers and mode of reactions. Before going to that, let's discuss little more on effect of resonance on acidity and basicity of compounds. Have you ever thought if resonance is inhibited or stopped, then what's going to happen? Will the acidity or basicity increase or decrease? This effect is called steric inhibition of resonance. Let's break it word by word. Steric means crowding, inhibition means stop, and resonance means movement of electrons within the molecule. So steric inhibition of resonance means movement of electrons are somehow stopped by steric crowding of the groups. Let's look at this example. 2,4,6 trinitro NN dimethyl aniline is 40,000 times stronger base than 2,4,6 trinitro aniline. Now this compound 1 is 2,4,6 trinitroaniline and compound 2 is 2,4,6 trinitro NN dimethyl aniline. So one way to think is that in compound 2 there is a ready availability of electron on the nitrogen of NMET group, and that's why it can act as a strong base. Whereas in compound 1, the lone pair electron on NH2 is somehow not available, and so it can't act as a good base. Now why is it so? In compound 2, due to steric hindrance between the NMe2 and nitro groups, the NMe2 group is thrown out of the plane of the benzene ring, and resonance of lone pair electrons with the pi electrons of the ring is inhibited, means stopped. There is no resonance, and therefore the electrons, the lone pair electrons, are readily available on the nitrogen of the NMET group, and so it can be easily donated, and therefore compound 2 can act as a very good base. But in compound 1, if you see, NH2 group is small, and so it is in the plane of the benzene ring, and therefore the lone pair electrons on the nitrogen of NH2 group can enter into resonance with the benzene ring, and therefore the lone pair electrons are not available, and so it can't act as a good base. Moreover, the NH2 group enters into, there is a hydrogen bonding between the hydrogen of NH2 group and the oxygen of NO2 group, and that helps the entire molecule to be in a single plane, as a result of which the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen of NH2 group can enter into the resonance with the benzene ring and at the same time with the 3 nitro groups, and this reduces the base strength of the compound 1 drastically compared to compound 2. So let's see. So here what we have seen is how steric inhibition of resonance have increased the basicity of the compound. Now let's see now whether the steric inhibition of resonance increases the acidity of the compound or decreases the acidity of the compound. Here are some examples. We have seen that whenever a group is present ortho to the carboxy group in substituted benzoic acid, it is observed that the acidity of ortho-substituted benzoic acid is more than that of benzoic acid. Why is it so? Due to the steric interaction between the carboxylic acid group and the ortho groups, the carboxylic acid group is thrown out of plane of the benzene ring. And the moment the carboxylic acid group is thrown out of plane of the benzene ring, resonance is inhibited. Resonance between the phenyl ring and the carboxylic group is inhibited. And the moment this resonance is inhibited, the acidity of the carboxylic group increases. Why? It is to be noted here that the resonance between the phenyl ring and the carboxylic group is responsible for the decrease in the acidity of the benzoic acid. So, the moment the resonance is inhibited, the acidity of the compound increases. And that is how we see that ortho-substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than benzoic acid. Now here are some examples and some questions for you to think. The first question is, the most acidic compound among the following. Here are 4 compounds given. Which one is most acidic? Now you can pause your video, think about it, and again come back and look at the answer. Now compound 1 and 2, they are the most acidic compared to compound. They are more acidic compared to compound 3 and 4. Now why? Just we have talked about steric inhibition of resonance, which is seen in ortho-substituted benzoic acid. So steric, remember, steric inhibition of resonance increases the acidity. So compound 1 and compound 2 will be more acidic compared to compound 3 and 4 because of steric inhibition of resonance. Now out of compound 1 and compound 2, which will be most acidic? Here now you have to think about inductive effect. Methyl group have plus I inductive effect and OH group has minus I inductive effect. Minus I inductive effect will increase the acidity. And so compound 2 is most acidic among all these 4 compounds. Let's go to the next question. The order of acidity of the following compounds: formic acid, acetic acid, benzoic acid, bromoacetic acid. Here also again you can pause your video, think about it and come back. The first one is formic acid. So here in formic acid there is no inductive effect, no resonance effect. In acetic acid, because of the methyl group, there is a plus I inductive effect which reduces the acidity. Going to benzoic acid, the phenyl ring has both plus R effect and minus I effect. Now because of plus R effect is more stronger than inductive effect, that is true. That pulsar effect in resonance effect is stronger than inductive effect. But because of the small amount of minus I inductive effect, benzoic acid will be a stronger acid than acetic acid. Going to bromoacetic acid, because of the minus I inductive effect of the Br group, the acidity increases so much that bromoacetic acid will be the most acidic, followed by formic acid, followed by benzoic acid, and the least acidic will be acetic acid. So the answer is 1, D greater than A, greater than C, greater than B. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Before I end my video, I want to share a thought. Be a persevere like a mountain and disperse your thoughts like fountain. Thank you.